what are the challenges?
Well, as a player in this industry, I think there are a number of challenges that we have. Some of the challenges are more generic, because we know that one of the biggest challenges the industry has is to expand coverage and reach more and more customers. In an environment where there have been a few changes, I think the new regulatory change, it's not new really. I mean, something more than almost a year ago, where loads are not being charged and there are no payments against those loads being made to distributors, I think has put more pressure on the way we manage and our distribution. And I think that's one of the bigger challenges that the industry is facing. When you come to Baroda Pioneer in specific, we have a huge opportunity in the branch Bank of Baroda, which we're trying to address. Having said that, it is equally a challenge to be able to convert the mindsets of the staff that populate these 3,000 branches. We also have to keep in mind that the 3,000 branches cover a wide in terms of the pop strata and the segments that they cover, from urban to semi-urban to rural, poses their own challenges. The other challenge as a newcomer is to break into large institutional accounts, and I think that is one of the things that we are working on a day-to-day basis, to ensure that we are there in as many investing counters as possible.
How do you look at the opportunities of growth for mutual fund industry and yourself?
See, I believe that mutual funds are a very important part of an Indian citizen's financial planning. I think a lot of Indians are very good when it comes to savings, but are not sure what they need to do with their savings at the next stage. And that is where I think a lot of intervention is called for from a capital markets perspective. And to that extent, we hope to be able to offer that intervention as an industry. And to that extent, I think the relevance of the industry is bound to grow more and more. So that is really where the the opportunities for a mutual fund are. And for a player like Baroda Pioneer, given the vast strength of the brand Bank of Baroda and the network that the bank offers, and the underlying stability that both the players, Pioneer and Bank of Baroda, bring to the table, I think the opportunities are there for us to exploit over the next few years.